Located in the highlands of Pinto Bandeira, Brazil, Vale da Lua Cabin is the realization of a couple's dream. A peaceful retreat, secluded in nature, with stunning views of the Rio das Antas Valley. The design of the cabin prioritizes harmony with its surroundings. The architects were faced with a major challenge: how to create something new without disturbing the natural essence of the site. The result is a building that does not dominate the landscape, but rather blends in and complements the existing beauty. The materials used in its construction were no ordinary materials. Concrete, natural stone, and recycled bricks from demolition were chosen not only for their durability, but also for their connection to the land and local context. The interior of the cabin is designed to give space to silence. A peaceful, calm, and reflective atmosphere. This place is not just a dwelling, but a sanctuary for the senses, where the natural and the man-made meet in almost perfect harmony. Vale da Lua Cabin is more than just a cabin. It is a living space that emphasizes the importance of contextual architecture, the use of local and sustainable materials, and the creation of spaces that are not only aesthetic, but also functional and emotionally profound.